Here in Winston-Salem, we're lucky to have lots of beautiful creeks. These creeks are home to aquatic animals like turtles, birds, aquatic insects, and frogs. Other animals, like deer, rabbits, and beavers, also depend on creeks. It's up to all of us to keep our creeks clean and healthy. What is water pollution? Water pollution happens when anything harmful gets into our streams, creeks, or rivers. Some common types of pollution are trash, oil and gas, fertilizers, pesticides, too much dirt or sediment, and wash water. Today we're going to talk about wash water. What is wash water? Wash water is the dirty water left over after cleaning something. It usually has soap and tiny bits of whatever you were cleaning. Even if the water doesn't contain soap or cleaners, water used to wash something can still have grease, metals, or paint chips in it that can harm the environment. Used wash water, even when it seems like it's just water, isn't allowed to go down the storm drain. It's against the law to dump wash water into storm drains or onto hard surfaces like driveways or roads in Winston-Salem. We want to help businesses and neighbors do the right thing before there's ever a problem. Here are some examples of wash water we've seen dumped around Winston-Salem. Water from mobile dog grooming vans, water from power washing sidewalks or buildings, dirty mop water from cleaning operations, water used by floor stripping companies, and water from car washing businesses. Even soaps that say biodegradable or natural can harm aquatic life because soap lowers oxygen in the water, making it hard for fish and insects to survive. It can also contain chemicals that are toxic to both plants and animals. Even a little soap can hurt a lot of small creatures in the creek. How pollution gets into our creeks. One of the biggest ways pollution enters our creeks is through storm drains. Storm drains are the grates you see along roads, driveways, and parking lots. When it rains, storm drains carry water off these hard surfaces to help prevent flooding. But storm drains don't clean the water. Anything that goes into a storm drain, like trash, oil, or dirty water, goes straight into the nearest creek. How to handle wash water. If you work with dirty wash water, you can help protect our creeks. Never pour wash water onto roads, sidewalks, parking lots, or into storm drains. Instead, always pour dirty wash water into a sanitary drain, like a sink, toilet, or bathtub. Your workplace may even have a special mop sink, but check first to make sure it's connected to the sanitary sewer system and not the stormwater system. Sanitary drains carry the dirty water to the wastewater treatment plant, where it is cleaned before being released into the environment. You can catch and collect wash water with a wet-dry vacuum or containment mats. If you don't have any other option, you could dump wash water onto a flat, grassy area where the water will filter naturally through the plant roots and soil. You can only do this in dry conditions, on days it's not rainy, and if the soap or cleaner is biodegradable. What to do if you see dumping. If you see someone dumping wash water or anything other than rain into the storm drain or onto hard surfaces like roads and driveways, let us know. It helps us keep the water clean for everyone. To report pollution, call CityLink at 311 or 336-727-8000. You can also submit reports through text, online, or the CityLink app. Remember, only rain should go down the storm drain. Thank you for helping keep Winston-Salem's creeks clean and clear.